Hello! In this video, because we have the platform already put in place on the chassis with screws, we will do the button. We will import the button from the GrabCAD, and we will do the clearance for it, and we will add it to the project. So let's start. We will go to the switcher, and I will download the files. I will put them on desktop, and I will unzip the archive. I open Fusion. I'm again in the Arduino car with remote control project. I will click upload, and I will search for the switcher, and I import the IGS file. It's done, it's uploaded, and I will right click and I will click insert into correct design. I will close the panel. I will move it a little bit because we will use a line to place it here in this spot. So what can I use to place the button? I need to sketch. I will activate the root component, and I will sketch on the button for good 0. Now I have a projection of the button. Okay, and what I need to do is to measure between those two edges, and I can see the distance is 21 millimeters. And now I am ready to go here, but not before seeing the other dimension. So again, inspect 15. So I have 21 millimeters per 50 millimeters. I will post. Okay, and now I can go to the platform, and I will create a sketch on top of it. Actually, I'll finish the sketch. Now I can go to the platform. I will activate the car platform component, and I will sketch on top of it. And here on the middle, I need to find from this point to that point. So I need to go 15 and 21 by 2. Something like this. I need to check if I'm not going through the battery holder, and I don't. Okay, and I will mirror. So I will select all the edges, and I will put the plane. Okay, so I'm creating this sketch. I will finish the sketch so I can align the button. So I will go to sketches, and I will rename those. Align the button. And what is with this sketch? Oh, make holes for screws. Good. I will show the sketches. I will hide the one for the screws. And now what I'm gonna do is edit a little bit, because I don't need the line which is on the middle, so I can select the entire rectangle. Okay, and here as well. Good, and now I will draw a single line, so we have one single rectangle like this. Okay, and now the moment of truth. I will activate the root component. I will hide the comments. And what I need to do is to go to modify line using this point, which is very hard to obtain. but we can do it with patience. Okay, let's see if it works. And we'll go to the other sketch like that. Okay, the single problem is that the button doesn't want to go. It's all right. I will create a rigid group. I will capture the position. Fusion awares me that more than one component was selected, and I will go manually and I will select them from the browser. So those two, they are now aligned, and I will go to align. I will select one screw hole, and then I will go to the other screw hole, and I will click OK, and I will show the screws. Awesome. And as you can see, now we have the button. From time to time, when we import components, well, they don't want to go to the align position. And that's how you can work around it. Just move the entire assembly. Let's go here to the joints and rename this button and platform. And here we are. It's important after we place the button to not forget to make the clearance for it. So I will go to the chassis platform, and I will show the sketch. And I will hide the button a little bit. So this, okay. And what I need to do is to edit a little bit this sketch, because I need some part of it to still exist. So one, I will click OK. And now we can cut this one. I'll click OK. And let's see. The button has enough room to go inside and still has some materials to lead on. And if we go in the home position, now we have a button for turning on and off our car. So I will save and see you in the next video to add the radio antenna.